Hi, today I'm traveling old historic Route 66 on my way to Waynesville, Missouri, where Model T owners from all over the country have gathered for one of the quirkiest, coolest events you will see, the Model T Hillbilly Run. And on our way, this Route 66 Roadside Park, the George Reed Roadside Park, featuring some of the most beautiful, interesting, and nostalgic Route 66 neon signs you can find anywhere. And oh my gosh, here come several Model Ts in here. Let's check out these cars and then see if we can meet some of the people. Then we'll take a look at the signs and head on to Waynesville to find the rest of the group.
Take a breath, open up your eyes and face the morning. Pack your things, my friend, let's go exploring.
Okay, so Ron is the 103-year-old gentleman.
Yes. Turned 103 yesterday.
103 yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Look at that. Well, it's beautiful on the inside too. Okay, so this is
1921.
1921.
4 years old.
Wow.
It's original paint.
Really?
I got this from the granddaughter of the guy who bought it new in 1921.
That's amazing.
And these are suicide doors. See, they open up like this.
Uh-huh.
The door flies open, it rips off.
Suicide doors. Yes.
Well, that's your temperature.
Oh, okay.
On the
Okay.
other side. Look.
Okay.
I can't see it.
Yeah, it's really low.
It's really low.
Very
You
low.
want to drive it with it red right about there.
Okay. Wow.
We all had starters, so. They came out with starters in 1915. But I don't like most of them now.
That's what and on the back as well, right?
Yeah,
Or
all
the
of the lights,
all of them.
except for
Okay.
those
Those are beautiful.
burners. So
Those are beautiful.
That's what they call it.
What's your top speed?
Oh, we usually try driving at about 30 to 35.
30 to 35. Yeah. That's pretty good.
Yeah. Here we go all over. We've gone back 15 years in a row. People say, why do you go back? I said, because it's people.
Yeah. Right here in St. Robert, Missouri, you can step back in time on the Mother Road and watch it glow. This is one of the last original roadside parks left on Route 66. Built in 1955, it was once a place for travelers to stretch their legs, enjoy a picnic, and watch the world roll by. Today, it's home to the Route 66 Neon Park, a collection of restored neon signs from motels, diners, and garages that once lit up Route 66. Each sign has a story, and at night, the park comes alive with the same glow travelers would have seen in the heyday of the Mother Road. If you're exploring Route 66, stop here at sunset. The neon turns on, the history lights up, and you'll see why this stretch of road is still called Main Street of America. From St. Robert, we rolled into Waynesville, where the streets filled with Model Ts and plenty of Route 66 history. Waynesville sits right on the Mother Road, and today it looks like it's straight out of another era. The Ford Model T changed everything. It was inexpensive, simple, rugged. It made car travel available not just to the wealthy, but to the middle class. In car shows across the U.S., Model Ts command a special place. They're not just restored cars, they are monuments to innovation, to early 20th century mobility, and to the people who drove them. The Hillbilly Run is more than a display, it's a journey. In 2025, over 45 vintage Model Ts and more than 90 people will travel Route 66 from Rolla to Waynesville in Missouri. These cars, many over 90 years old or older, are driven under their own power. They creak, they rattle, they chug, and that's the point. It's not about perfection, it's about authenticity. Between towns, on vintage bridges, stopping at neon signs, diners, landmarks, it's an experience of the old road, seen through wind-in-your-hair cars that once were new when Route 66 was in its golden age. These shows do more than evoke nostalgia. They keep alive mechanical skills, community, and stories. Owners share repair tips, original parts, sometimes handmade replacement pieces. They dress in period gear. They talk about the smells of oil and the sound of the magneto. And for the rest of us, watching these cars roll by reminds us how far roads and engines have come, but how enchanting the early days still are. So next time you're on Route 66, pull into a small town, check for the Model Ts. You might just catch the Hillbilly Run. The cars may or may not be shiny showpieces, but they're alive with history, and that's exactly how it should be. Just down the road is Roy Laughlin Park, a National Historic Landmark tied to the Trail of Tears. It's a somber reminder that Route 66 isn't the only history these roads have seen. We are just off historic Route 66. So all of this is just right off Route 66. And I mean right off Route 66. So much to see and do, so much history, so many fun things, quirky things. And here we have a National Historic Site as well. You don't have to travel very far on Route 66 to find all kinds of things of interest. This has been a great day. On my way home, I came across this little treasure along Route 66 in Lebanon, Missouri. From neon signs to Model Ts and a one-of-a-kind Hillbilly Run, Route 66 in Missouri still delivers stories you won't find anywhere else. Thanks for coming along with us, and remember to subscribe if you haven't, so we can keep on exploring together.